Okay, hi folks, just arrived through the post is the new Gerber Freescape cam saw, folding saw. Let's have a look at this, some of the stuff now. Okay, so folds flat, for packability. Alright, what we got there, looks in snap lock, rubber grip, come out a bit. Lifetime guarantee, looks pretty good. Packet was like a bit worn, roughed, but it was alright. High carbon steel blade, handle glass fibre filled with overmould, a 12-inch standard blade, universal, so you can change the blades for anything you want as long as it's a 12-inch blade. Standard saw, yeah, makes replacement easy. 4 pivot point design, maximum cutting performance. What have I got here? Okay, rubber molded handle, all-inclusive structure, so it's, yeah, unique folding design, allows for easy carry, and that's it really. Let's open up and have a look, see what it's like. Not the easiest to get into, which is good. Once you're in, I think we should be able to right. Okay, never used one before. Have we got any zoom on that? No. So, oh, here we go. So I've just zoomed out totally. So I presume, I have no idea, is there a lock on it? So it just, does it unlock? Ooh, doesn't say about locking mechanism, so I don't know. That's not it. That's not it. Let me have a play. There's a pivot point there, so. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now what? Okay, that looks like there's a little bit there for the blade. So, see, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, right, so it's quite a stiff bit of kit. Oh, there's your blade. Ah, here we go. Here we go now. So there's a blade. Oh, I think you have to turn it back on itself. Okay, got you. So you have to turn it inside out. There we go. Like so. Right, okay, I'm a bit lost here. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, there we go. So that goes out and turns sideways, like so. And then you should be able to push the handle forward all the way. So this, I have no idea, I am just guessing. It doesn't come with any instructions really. Right, and that's it. Is there any instructions on this? No, so there's no instructions, it just says 4 pivot point. Okay, anyway, right. So you take it out of its packet and you fold it back on itself, and then, yay, look at that. What a great bit of kit. Now I haven't tried it yet, but we will do. So let's unfold it, shall we? Then we know what we're doing. Can you see all this properly? Pull the handle back, undo the clip. The clip goes back on itself, like through there, and then the blade goes back round. So it's virtually, you're turning it inside out, folds back into itself. This goes back over the top, like so, and then that clips together like that, and that. Oh, hold on. So if you pull it apart, you can tuck. Ooh, this is so good now. So now the little clip, which is there, goes inside first, and then done. So one more, under, over, turn inside out, turn the blade right round on itself. Alright, lift the handle up, pull the little clip through, twist it sideways, hook the blade on, drop the handle down. One fantastic fold. Well, I presume it's a fantastic. There's a good reviews on this. I'll let you know when we get to using it. But as regards a good folding saw, that is superb. I bought this because I had the what they call it, the Silky Boy, which is okay, but on the backward stroke I got a bit of a trigger finger locking up, and it's always a backward stroke, and you have to put a lot of pressure on. Which it's a cracking saw, the Silky Boy or Silky Gumbo, and I thought I'd try something different. So hold on, let's just put this back on. If your plastic shield comes off, just for a bit of a tip, if you slide it on from the top, it makes life a lot easier. Try and get over the teeth, because the teeth are slightly angled. Alright, so put him over the top like that, and then re-jiggery poker him back in, so the handle goes over, the little clip falls in inside the handle, push it down, lock it into place, and there we go. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up and a like. Thanks for watching. We'll give a review on this and we'll test it, see what it's like a cut in the wood. Just for now, that is just what came through the post and how to assemble and disassemble. I've never used one before. Take care, all the best.